everybody, welcome to Carry On Jeff and John once again. What we're going to be doing this week is a Thai vegetables, spicy Thai vegetables with some nice sea bass. Now this is absolutely awesome, this is. I had this last week and I thought, yeah, I'm going to treat my awesome friends this dish, and this is going to be absolutely awesome. 2 capsicums, yellow and red, thinly sliced. Now you can use red, green, blue, black, whatever you want. But 2 capsicums, that's what you want. You want a thumb size of ginger, cut up into little thin strips like that. See them? And what you want then is some baby sweet corn. See them? Baby sweet corn and some fine beans. Yeah? Just an handful. As many sweet corns as you want. 120 grams of bamboo shoots. These are absolutely awesome, nice and crispy. A medium-sized carrot, cut up into little thin pieces like so. 3 spring onions, cut in half, like so. A teaspoon of sugar, just ordinary sugar. 1 chilli, deseeded and washed. And always wash your hands afterwards. You get them in your, start rubbing your eyes. I tell you, there's no fun in that. A tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then you want 2 cloves of garlic, like so. Just finely chopped. And then you want 2 fillets of sea bass. Look at them, absolutely awesome. Olive oil, come and get a drink though. And the secret to a good stir fry is to get your pan nice and hot. And while that's cooking, just dry, get your sea bass, like so. Make sure you dry it off, all the excess water, because we want this nice crispy skin. Right, what we want in here first is your sweet corn and fine beans. And the reason why you put your sweet corn and your fine beans in first, because they take a bit longer. Some sea salt. And a bit of black coarse pepper you want. Right, you want your garlic in. Bamboo shoot. And while you're doing that, get some oil in your frying pan. Get that nice and hot. Ocean sauce, 2 tablespoons, tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar, just white sugar. And put your peppers in, and your ginger. And when you do stir fries, you don't need a lot of oil in. Right, that pan's ready now. You put salt and pepper on both sides, you've dried your fish, your pan's nice and hot. And what you do is you put your fish in, your sea bass, skin side down, like so. Now I want to cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm just going to try and keep an eye on it. Now put your carrots and your spring onions in your stir fry. This is going to be awesome. Just give the pan a little shake, you know what I mean? now what you've got to do is put your sauce in. And all you've got to do then, when you've added your sauce, just mix all them flavours in together, like that. And you don't need to put any salt in, because there's salt in soya sauce. So that's a tip for you, you don't need it. Right, that sea bass has been on for about 4 minutes now, just slightly turn it down to about medium. Look at that, look at all the flavours in there. This is a vegetarian dish, this is awesome. And this recipe, if you don't want to use fish, you can have it with steak, chicken, anything you want. Oh, that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. Now you want to cook that for about 2 minutes. Right, we're ready for plating up. I'm just going to put that back on a minute because I forgot to put the chilies in. So we're just going to warm them through. How do you miss the chilies? That's one of the most important things in there. They'll only take about a minute just to warm through. Look at that, that's awesome. Gotta get the presentation right. It's gotta be right. It's gotta be right. Every time it's gotta be right. Look at that crispy skin. Oh, that is to die for. And there you have crispy sea bass with spicy Thai vegetables. Now that is an awesome wallop.